Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this practical Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to change the spacing within a text box in Word quickly and professionally. Whether you want to adjust line spacing, paragraph spacing, or internal margins, this guide will help you create clean and attractive text boxes. Perfect for resumes, flyer, brochure, certificate, and professional documents. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now I am create a text box and write some text to the text box. Go to a blank page and go to the insert menu. Then click the text box option. Then click the draw text box. Now I am write anything, but here the all text is not formatted. Now I am change the spacing of this text box text. Select the text, click and drag on our mouse, go back the home menu. Then we can see here the change spacing of text. You can change the spacing into text box here. Now I make 1 point. You can change again, like you can make it 1.5. Now we can see we change spacing within a text box in Microsoft Word very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.